We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up XRP. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market, looking for patterns. So price action here is like at a midpoint. So if we look at it, if you grab the highs, we bring the highs down at the wicks. We got that decline market. At the low, we got that area of support. Started off at the low, pushed up to a high, came back down to the midpoint, to the bottom of the low, pushed back up to the high, came back to the mid, pushed up to a high twice, double top. Market pushed right back to the mid. Now we got to figure out what's going on in that market. So what the market's into is in a wedge pattern, so it's just breaking up and down into this wedge. We finally get the breakout to the top side or to the bottom, or it'll just continue to consolidate. It'll continue to consolidate until you get the full breakouts. Head down a weekly time frame to see what's going on. Looking for patterns. Let's work with this high. So we have price push up to this high here. Long antenna to the top. Bullish candle. Was able to close out at the top here, close out the bottom. Next candle, side by side candles. Okay, I call it the towers. Got the engulfment with the red candle, engulfment the white. Market push down. Market push down once, twice, 3 times, 4. Okay, more extension, too many times with the 4 pushes. So market's in consolidation. So what happened? Market's coming from a double top. Spiked up once, spiked up twice. First, second, third, fourth. Retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4. Market's back in that low. So consolidation. Now we look for a pattern, but that market did nothing but consolidate for a while. So once the market finally came out that consolidation, what did we receive? We received overall structure that pushed that market up was a W. So coming down from that first leg, second leg, or first, second, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up a third time, and then we got that consolidation, so we got to figure out what happened here. But at that low, we did receive that W. Market came back to retest, and market finally broke out. Double bottom retest at that low. Market pushed up to a high. What happened? White candles going up, bullish. First leg coming down with the bears the second. Third leg. So this is real. This is a tight structure. Let's get a lot closer so we can take a look at what's going on. So we receive that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Oh, that's the wrong area. Go back. So we on this level here. Bullish candles coming up in white. First leg coming down. Second leg in red. Third leg in white. Fourth leg in red. So that's the double top. Okay, so market coming from a double top. Multiple spikes up for that retest on this side here. Market came down to a low. So let's figure out what happened when the market came back down to that low. So it's a pattern that created a support here at that low. So think about this as highest highs. This is lows. This is like a midpoint. Market rolled that midpoint. Did that break and retest. Didn't drop all the way down. Ended up doing that area retest, support, retest again. So it's a triple decline, triple bottom, and that market pushed up. Okay, so we got 3 spikes, once, twice, 3 times. Market came back up to that midpoint, and now we at that market where it's consolidated. So we in that consolidation. Market is up and down, up and down. So we got to figure out what's going to happen next. Are we expecting, is market price coming from some triple top here? Or is it respecting a double bottom for the first leg, second leg, third leg? market push up for that fourth, or is consolidation going to continue to happen? You got to see what's going to happen here. The market's going to break down, consolidate, or come up. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. We find patterns in the market as the ascending triangle. What is the ascending triangle? We have the area of resistance, meaning the roof. Market spiked up once, twice, 3 times. Same level, wasn't able to break that area of highs or lows. Stability in that area here for that decline, for that area as support. What do we see? Market worked its way up from lows to highs to higher highs to next level highs. Okay, so then that's that area of resistance. Wasn't able to break. Market bounced up once, came up twice, came up 3 times, created enough momentum for this incline. That breakout, the market's going. And the overall structure, what do we see? W. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. W. What comes after W? Retest. We received it. Market pushed up once. Very important information, guys. Please review and study breakout retest strategy. Take a look at what's going on here. The market is, we have a lot of lows working its way up to a high. So market's in an uptrend. Market started at a low, consolidated below the midpoint, finally broke the midpoint of that resistance, came back to retest it. Now the midpoint of resistance is now called the support. Market came back to retest. Market pushed up once, got a retest. Market pushed up again twice. Elevated levels. Very important information, guys. No more information, guys. Okay, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. XRP, USD.